muted. About to say, that was muted. So, let's see. We are, let's see, Huntsville, Texas, east of Huntsville, Texas, west of Livingston, Cold Spring, Texas. You got a line coming in there. Let me reset. And it looks like it's got some weak rotation with it. We're going to see if they issue a warning for that, which I highly doubt they will. You got flash flood warning for in Lake City for southwestern Brazos? Brazos in southern Texas, southwestern Gremia and southeastern Texas, northwestern Weller County in southern Texas, northwestern northwestern Washington and southeastern Texas until 10:15. Emergency management at 7:19 reported heavy rain, flooding in Navasota, Cedar Creek Bridge on Victoria Street in Navasota, impassable due to water on the road. Inches are possible in warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. So, and you got another one. You got two more. Let's see. In Galena County in eastern Texas, southwestern Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas, southwestern Sabine County in eastern Texas, St. Augustine County in eastern Texas, south central Shelby County in eastern Texas until 9:45. At 7:28 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts to 1 to 2 inches are expected to begin shortly. That's that one. And we got another one up here for southwestern DeSoto Parish, northwestern Louisiana, west central Nacogdoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northeastern St. Augustine County in eastern Texas, eastern Shelby County in East Texas until 9 o'clock. And that is radar indicated. Some locations will experience flooding include Mansfield, Millam, Swole, Converse, Patroon, Shelbyville, Newville, Bland Lake, Oak Grove, Pleasant Hill, Huxley, South Mansfield, Noble, Grand, Kane, Stanley, Toledo, Ben Reservoir, North Jordan Store, or North Jordan Store, Sexton, Hostown, and Pelican. So yeah, that's what's going on. Lower this just a little bit where I won't be over driving. Looks like we're good. So, yep, that's what's going on. Take a look at that line. Like I said, looks like it's got some weak low over rotation in there. got a probability of 20% hail of 0.25 inches. Oh, what's this? Maybe we gotta have a debris signature here. Let's check it out. Storm relative. Where was that? I saw that at. Where was that? I saw that at. Hmm. Hard to say. Yeah. On Alaska again. You guys, y'all can't catch a break. Yeah. Yeah, I'd like to know if there's going to be any reports there on Alaska. On Alaska, yeah. Texas. Might have some damage there. Straight line 1 damage. Um, Livingston, New Willard, and Seven Oaks. So I would get inside. Probably got some hail, and it's got some damage and winds in there. Let's go loop this and see what is going on here. Which lines can produce tornadoes with little to no advanced warning. So it can happen. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but could happen. So be very wary of that. Let's go look at KGRK. Look at it from there. See what we're seeing there. Yeah, it's not as concerning looking from there. So let's pay attention to it. Could have some damaging winds and some hail. Torrential rainfall and hail. Oh, what's this we got going up to the north here? Take a look at it. Huh. There we go. Yeah, you don't have some gusty winds. Let's see. Goldena. Where's this at? Arkansas? No, Mississippi. Nacogdoches. Gonna have some strong gusty winds, some heavy rain there. You know, you got a flash flood warning to your west there. Probably may issue one for you too. We'll have to wait and see. This is probably like 30, 40, 50,000 feet up in the storm. So you got those circle IDs. What's going on here? Huh. That's odd. See if we still get them. We go to KGRK. No. Huh. I mean, the radar beam is way, way off the ground, too. So that could be a false. I don't know. Got something going on there. Palestine, Texas. Crockett. The Texo? Huh. Let's just watch it and see what it does. I'm gonna go turn this to one bigger window where you can see better. Yeah, that's way better. You can see a whole lot better. I might do 2 panels instead of 1. But yeah, like I said, Galveston, Woodlake. We'll have some gusty winds coming through there. Get stuff tied down. Moscow, Seven Oaks, Texas, or this is in Texas, Corrigan, Texas, Moscow, Seven Oaks, New Willard, Camden. Oh yeah, looks like it's raining itself out now, but it was pretty strong a little while ago. yeah, let's watch these storms to the south and see what they do. There's no telling what they're going to do. So, see what the hell chances are with these. 50% of hell, 30% of hell, 5.0.25 inches. So yeah, the one to the south usually does strengthen more before the one to the north, and usually the one to the south eats up all the good juice for them, but that's not always the case. Those might be interesting to watch. Where was I? KGRK. Is that where I was? I think that's where I was. Let's go back to it. And this right here around Groventon. I thought that was Galveston. My bad. On Alaska, Livingston, Seven Oaks. You're gonna get hammered there. I'm just gonna watch everything and come back when needed. So hey, guy. So hey, guys, I'm back with an update. So as you can see right here, Nakatoshis, that's broken, and it's behaving. You're gonna have some gusty outflow possibly with it, but nothing tornadic. Maybe if you got some loose stuff laying around there, zoom in here where you can see along that line there. Galdina, so Saline, Salina. Okay, Jonesboro, Hodges, Jonesboro, Mississippi, Dotson, Mississippi, Winfield, Mississippi, Atlanta, Mississippi, Georgetown, Colfax, Dry Prong, Ball, Royce. You might want to bring in some loose stuff like, light stuff you got laying around because it might blow around there. But that's what I would do there. Get all that in. Nothing severe, just some blowing wind there, and no hail indicators, so that's great. So I'm more interested in these storms here in Texas at the moment. A lot of broken stuff up into Arkansas or Arkansas. Nah, it's just a joke. Don't get mad at me, please. Yeah, I'm gonna watch these down in Kansas. This is Texas, not Kansas. These might have some hell with them. LaGrange, Texas. Fayetteville, Texas. Flatonia. LaGrange. Rudersville? Let's see how it changed from last time. They're weakening. Why I say they're weakening is because cell T1 was at 50% chance of hail. Now it went down to 30. No. Well. Still holding at 50 cell V0. So, might have some hell there. But you might have hell in both of these little cells coming through southeast Texas. So far, is this a new warning? Let's check it out. Flash flood warning for a dam floodgate release remains in effect at 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening for eastern Hot Spring County. Where's this? Little Rock, Arkansas. So this is in Arkansas. Dam operators reported the flooding on the Remil Dam had been opened, resulting in flash flooding downstream. O-U-A-C-H. I can't say that. River. Flash flooding from a dam floodgate release. Dam operator. Flooding area along the river immediately downstream of the dam. Nearest downstream town, Jones Mill, Friendship, Midway, and Oak Grove. This is a routine high water event which will result in lowland flooding along the Ouachita River, O-U-A-C-H-I-T-A River in Hot Spring County. So if you know anybody there, you might want to give them a call and say, hey, that might be some flooding due to a dam release. Oh, wow. Initial impacts from a dam release will reach the bridge, Interstate 30 near Melbourne within the next 1 or 2 hours, with maximum impacts occurring within the next 2 and 3. Initial impacts will reach Donaldson within the next 3 to 6 hours, with the maximum impacts occurring within the next 6 to 8 hours. Impacts will reach Friendship in about 10 to 12 hours. Livestock property should be moved out of the floodplain. Like I said, give them a call. Floodplain, flood roadways should be avoided. This includes the following streams and drainages: 10 Mile Creek, Delisl Creek, Chapman Creek, Stone Quarry Creek, Blakely Creek, Tupelo Creek, Pirate Bayou, Cove Creek, and Ouachita River. As of 5 o'clock p.m., the current discharge rate from Rimmel Dam was approximately 33,000 CFS. So, yeah. Know anybody there? Give them a call. They need to know that's happening. I'm glad I clicked on that. That's why it looks so funky there. This is probably for that too. Shreveport. Can make this window any bigger? Oh, yes, I can. All right, let's go. National Weather Service has extended flash flood warning for western Columbia County and northwestern Arkansas, southeastern Hempstead County and southwestern Arkansas, Lafayette County and southwestern Arkansas, Miller County and southwestern, my bad, Arkansas, southwestern Nevada County and southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, between Caddo Parish and northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Cass County and northwestern Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Standard Daylight Time, and that is radar located. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Spring Hill, Stamps, Waldo, Louisville, Folk, Bradley, Taylor, Buckner, Garland, Ida, Williamsville, Bodcall, Cal, Canfield, Bussy, Smithland, Genoa, Welcome, Bright Star, Ravenna, and Mount Vernon. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Turn around, don't drown. All right, we got an update here. Let's see what the National Weather Service is saying, which I should have called this, but I didn't. All right, we got a flash flood. Excuse me. We got a National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for Fayette County and South Central Texas, northwestern Gonzales County, and South Central Texas until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 to 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This is life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source radar indicated life-threatening flash flooding of creeks, streams, and urban areas, highways, and streets and underpasses. The locations that will experience flash flooding include Gonzales, LaGrange, Schultenberg, Flatona, Wadler, Fayetteville, Round Top, Muldoon, Cistern, Carmine, Oquinton, Floy, Freiburg, Swiss Alp, West Point, Eagle, Plum, High Hill, Colony, and Kitterly. Turn around, don't drive in flooded roads. Most deaths occur in flooded vehicles, or in vehicles and flooded vehicles. Especially be cautious at night when driving. It's harder to recognize dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. So, yep, these two storms right here are producing 1 to 3 inches or 1 to 2 inches an hour over LaGrange and Gonzales and Flatona. That's all the, well, there's another one. There's another Cold Springs. National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for central San Juan Canito County in southern Texas until 10:45 or near Cold Springs, Texas. At 7:49 p.m., emergency management reported flooding due to heavy rain southwest of Lake Livingston along Mill Creek. FM 3128 at Hill Creek has water on the road due to flooding. Between 2 to 4 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused by a thunderstorm. The source is emergency management. So this is ongoing. Flash flooding in small creeks, streams, and urban areas, highway, streets, underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cold Spring and places around or near Cold Spring. Turn around, don't drive on county flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it's harder to recognize the dangers of flooding, and be aware of surroundings and not drive on flooded roads. Do not drive on flooded roads. By flood warnings, So that's telling me these storms are efficient rainmakers, not so much tornadic or hailers, but flooders. So pay attention to your National Weather Service and news media. And I will be back with updates. If I see any more warnings, I'm gonna put the radar on loop. What's this? Look at it real quick. It looks like straight line wind. Well, ugh. I'm gonna let this go for y'all, where y'all can watch, and I'll be back. I just I just thought of something, everybody. Show you something. Zoom in here. Well, wrong screen. Look, look, look. You can see it right there over Groveston. Yeah, Groveton. And look at the velocity. Boom! It just look at that. You can tell where the leading edge of the storm is with the velocity. It's amazing. Let's go to storm relative velocity and see what it tells us. Yeah, you can see it. Look at that, man. That's crazy. It's just how advanced our radars is. You can see where these boundaries are. I guess you could say. Well, not really boundaries, but these storms are. It's amazing. So much detailed information with radar you can get. It's crazy. Like Ville. Let's go check the Ville. Hadn't done that. Derived Echo Topsville. Like, look at that. It tells you where all the heavy rain is. It's so amazing. Out there around Flatona. It came down there. Pretty heavy too. Same thing just north of LaGrange around Rudersville. Rudders? Yeah, it's crazy what you can see. And probably might still have some hell in these suckers too. I'd be very wary of hell. Nothing humongous, but little tip taps on your roof more likely. Guess I'm gonna call this the end of the stream. If anything comes back, I will start the stream immediately. Everybody have a good evening and a good night or good morning, wherever you may be watching from. I'm going to let this loop for a little while and end the stream.